Hello, Cartoon for user. Yes, today I would like to use a 3D motion called Studio Mocap Spunky Move. Okay, so I would like to use alone and movement. Yeah, this one. Yeah, sit and drink front. Okay, and now I would like to use one actor. Okay, and find one with this turtle character. This turtle character you can find and download in relation with free also. Yeah, you can download this character. Okay, so this one I would like to use in. Okay, and this scene also, so you can find, yeah, exterior you can find in resolution, yeah, marketplace that you can download it. Okay, this scene I click scene manager to manage scene. Yeah, and also lock this scene. I don't want to when I click it accident click to the scene, so now scene lock, so it's easy to control the character. Okay, this one we need chair, so I don't have chair, so I would like to find, yeah, in sprite prop I type chair. Yeah, one that I can use, this one, chair size, I drag down like this. Okay, click L and click left mouse, hold all together. You can drag in, drag out like this. Yeah, easy for cartoon to fall. I put here and I drag turtle here to sit. Yeah, and I use animate sit string front here. Drag. Okay, and I would like to adjust. Okay, and play. Okay, and lock if lock motion flip body. If it have flip, so we need to flip. Neck testing. Okay, torso. Okay, nothing change. Hip, so change hip. Okay, and rotate 3D motion. You can adjust it if you like which one that better for you. So this character sit alone like this. Okay, and I have here like this, and I click apply in timeline. Just waiting. Okay, when ready apply, so this motion will activate. So I would like to open timeline and click object retract and click motion to check this one. Okay, and after that I would like to adjust this turtle to sit. Okay, on the chair like that. Yeah, the size, everything I can change later, something okay, like that. Okay, and if I would like to use fast puppet editor, I can use it also. Yeah, testing. Okay, this one. Okay, again. So when you put mouse cursor, you can it said sad, this one happy, scare, smile, okay, and general. Okay. According to you that you would like to use this scare. Okay. So now it sit alone, that means set. Okay, just look around like this. Okay, if you want to record, you can record, click record and click OK and play, click space. Okay, okay, finish like that. So I would like to use another character. Yeah. If you would like to get a coffee, that means a glass of water, you can put a glass of water and link to this hand. You can find, right click to find a cup, CUP, yeah, one cup. Okay, this cup, I can drag and drop like this. Okay, and put in front of this one. Okay, and I click link. I would like to check character first about the C size, C 123, and the cup also 123 and 24. Okay, 22. Okay, no, 25. Okay, 34. Okay, not 20. Okay, after that, so I would like to link this to this hand. Yeah, okay. Okay, and you can adjust this a glass of tea this letter if you like to adjust. Okay, now I would like to add one more character that he can walk, say hello, yeah, to this tutorial. Actor, another actor. Okay, Toon family character, sketch character. Okay, this one, boy one. Okay, so everything this one I would like to lock except this one. Yeah, okay, just use this character. Okay, and walk and go to the right side like this. Now I use movement and greeting for mail. This one, drag up to this. Okay, and just play. So I can check and see this, which one that I'm happy. So I will click a root motion, flip character, yeah, lock shift, something like that. Everything I keep like that. If you like to change neck or torso, you can change it. Yeah, if you like. Okay, so I leave like that. Now I happy like this, and I click apply. Say hello. Okay. Now for the first frame, click motion to check this one. When say hello, this one. Okay, I drag here and zoom out like this. Okay, and click transform to check this keyframe. Okay, and play again and say hello again. Sorry. Close this and say hello again. Okay, and walk away. So this one still say hello and click share, drag to here, play. Hello, tutorial, and hello again. This one, and we do this one. Right. Bye bye. Okay, like that. So at this point, run here. And if you have a clip, say something, you can say there and this point, so it control, sorry, and it would like to say goodbye, and we cut here. Okay, and just add one more motion. Run or walking movement. Okay, movement slow, too fast. This one, try. Okay, and play. Do the same. Lock if, lock good motion and flip. Okay, and click apply. Simple, easy. And this point, so double click. Okay, and it's share, so drag out. Simple, easy. This point you would like to flip if like that and go away. Bye bye. Okay. Hello, tutorial. Goodbye. See you next time. Okay. And this point, hello, we say we can use script. If you have a script already, you can say hello, tutorial. Tutorial. Okay, sorry. So sorry for my spelling.
Hello, Turtali.
And this one. See you next time. See you here. Script. Okay. See you next time.
See you next time.
Okay, and this time, and this one. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.
Okay. About the turtle, so we can adjust this curve. Writing, okay, like that. I would like to adjust this curve. Click curve. Now we unlock scene or unlock probe. This one, unlock probe. This click curve, and we would like to rotate this curve. Okay, click transform. Double click. Okay, and this rotate this one. Okay, well, the first thing we do double click here and double click here. Okay, and this rotate. Okay, middle is here.
See you next time. See you next.
Okay.
Next time. Next time. Bye.
Okay, come like that. So I like to adjust come around there. Okay.
See you next. See you next.
double click here and click double click here. Okay, one frame after and another frame to like this. Okay. Okay.
See you next time. Bye bye.
See, we can control the curve like that. Okay, when it's not focused on the curve, so just adjust a little like that. So and play.
Hello Turtali. See you next time. Bye bye.
Okay, and hello Turtle.
Hello Turtali.
Hello. Okay, Turtle say okay, hi, something like that. We can adjust this one.
Hi. Hello Turtali. Hi. See you next time. Bye bye.
Okay, after that, Turtle say bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, and the camera, so it's simple that you can use click here and click project. Okay, the camera. So the first thing we would like to zoom right here and we zoom. Okay, so together like this. Okay, first frame.
Hello Turt.
And the first frame.
Hello Turtali. Hi. Turtali. Hi.
And double click here, we zoom out. Like that. Okay. Use the camera.
See you next time.
And we can switch the camera to this character. Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Another double click here, and drag to this character. Bye bye too.
Bye bye.
And after that, we zoom out. Okay, simple.
Hello Turtali. Hi. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay. When it say bye bye, it's not yet zoom out. So click right here, and after that we zoom out.
Bye bye.
Okay. It stay for a long time.
Bye bye.
Again.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, play.
Hello Turtali. Hi. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you guys. Hope you learn a lot about this animate, and technique how to use 3D Studio Mocap Spunky Move. We use alone and use movement. Okay, thank you. See you next tutorial. Bye bye. See you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like. Okay, bye bye.